Okay, for this question, we are supposed to express in partial fraction. So for partial fraction, we need to always look at the denominator. So realize that one of the expression is a linear, then the other one is a square, x square there. So this one is under a case 3, okay? Because of the square here. Okay, so what we will need to do now, we will let the original expression, okay, write down the original expression. When it's equals to case 3, it will be equals to a over x plus 1, the first linear, followed by bx plus c over the square of the denominator expression. After which, we will also express it as a single fraction. Okay? So it will be a x squared plus 4, and then your bx plus c will be multiplied by x plus 1. So like what we have done for the previous examples on partial fraction, we need to find the value of x. Okay, so there is only one value of x here. Okay, this one cannot find the x. Okay, because it has a square that we cannot square root a negative number. So we have only one value, so we are ready to sub this value into the expression. So we will have minus 1 squared plus 4 minus 1 minus 7. Okay, so we put it in. So our minus 1, and then our b minus 1 and minus 1. Okay, so we will only be able to find our a here because this one is 0. Okay, so the b is gone. So 1 minus 4 minus 7. So our a is just minus 2. Okay, so we have two unknowns which have not found, which is the b and the c. So we can substitute x by any value. So let's substitute x by 0. So when it's 0, we'll replace the x by 0. Okay, so we will have 0 squared plus 4 plus b 0 plus c 0 plus 1. Okay, so we will get our a we already found earlier on, which is over here. Okay, our a, this a is this value. Okay, so we can substitute in minus 2, then 4. Then here we will have just c and 1. Okay, so we can find our c, which is equals to 1 here. Then now we have to find the value of our b. So we will also express x or substitute x by any other value. So we let it be x equals to 1. So we put it inside 1. Okay, so same thing, 1 squared plus 4 plus b, 1 plus c, then 1 plus 1. Okay, so our a value, okay, again we have found it earlier, so we can put it in. Our c value, we already found it just now also. Okay, so we also put it in. Okay, so over here we can simplify. Okay, 5. Okay, then our a is, which is minus 2, and then we will have our b, and our c is 1, and this one is 2. Okay, so when we simplify, okay, we will get our b to be equals to 3. Okay, so now we have all our values. We can express the original expression in partial form, bringing our a inside, our b is 3, our c is 1.